Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In today's video, we will take a deep dive into compile time polymorphism in Java, which is achieved through method overloading. This is an important concept that makes our code more flexible. Compile time polymorphism, also known as method overloading, occurs when multiple methods in the same class share the same name but have different parameter list. The method to be evoked is determined at compile time based on the number of type of argument passed. There are specific rules that governs method overloading. First, method must have same name but different parameter list, different number or type of parameters. Second, method overloading can occur within a single class or in a subclass through inheritance. Return type can differ, but return type alone does not constitute overloading. Let's see an example of method overloading in Java. This example already shown in the previous tutorial as well, but for the reference we can use it here as well. First, let me add comments method to add two integers, and I will create the method public int add int a comma int b, and it will return a plus b semicolon. Now let me create another method overloaded method to add two double public double add double a comma double b, and it will return a plus b semicolon. Same way we will create another method overloaded method to add three integers method to add three integers, and this will be public. Again it will be int add int a comma int b comma int c, and it will return a plus b plus c. Now let me create main method here, and I will create object of calculator class obj is equal to new calculator, and I will type sysout obj dot add 5 comma 10. Now sysout obj dot add, we will pass 5.5 comma 10.2, and sysout obj dot add 3 argument method I will call with 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let me save this code and run. So in the console you can see it is printing 15, 15.7 and 6. In this example we have three add methods that perform different operations depending on the argument passed to them. The Java compiler determines the correct method based on the parameter type and counts during compilation. Before jumping to the next example, let's discuss its benefit. First, it will be the improved code readability. Second, increased flexibility, and last will be the code reusability. Java also allow us to use method overloading with varargs parameters as well. Let me show you how we can achieve in Java. So I will create another method here. Method will be public void display numbers, and inside this method what I will do, I will pass int 3 dot numbers, and what we will do inside this method, we will create a for loop int number colon numbers. We are just traversing the values which are coming from these numbers, and we will add sysout statement, and we will print the number here. Let me remove this code, and what I will do, I will again create object first, calculator obj is equal to new calculator, and I will call this method obj.display, and I will pass 1, 2, 3. Let me save this code and run, and you can see in the console it is printing 1, 1, 2 and 3 in the next line. Let me call again display number. This time I will pass 4, 5. What I will do, let me add sysout inside this method to tell you, okay, this method got ended. Let me save and run. So you can see it is printing 4 and 5 as well. So the display numbers method accepts a variable number of integer argument, which makes it flexible when calling the method with different argument counts. Although method overloading is typically implemented within a single class, it can also occur across parent and child classes through inheritance. Let me show you how. We have already created a parent class. What I will do, inside this class I will create one method void show message, and I will take one argument string message, and I will add sysout parent says, and I will print the message. Let me format the code. Now let me jump to the child class. Inside this as well, what we will do, we will create a same method void show message, but argument number will be different. Here we will pass 2 arguments, message and string name, and we will add sysout here name plus we will give space says message. Let me save. Now let me go to the demo class. Inside demo class we will create object of child class, child is equal to new child, and what we will do, first we will calls parents method and child dot show message. Inside this I will pass hello. Same way we will calls child's class method as well, child dot show message, 2 argument, and I will pass hello and child. Let me save this code and run, and you can see in the console it is printing parent says hello, child says hello. In this example, the show message method is overloaded in the child class with an additional parameter. To sum up, compile time polymorphism through method overloading is a powerful way that makes our code more readable and flexible. By method overloading, we can use the same method name to perform different action based on the input parameter. In our next video, we will dive deeper into runtime polymorphism through method overriding. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Dev Portal for more Java tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.